In this Writecream review video, I'm going to show you how you can get 3,000 words that you can use within this tool in order to write AI generated copy completely for free. Before I do that though, I need to show you exactly how you're charged for these words so that you can understand exactly how you're going to use them. Now Writecream, here I am on the dashboard, has two different ways in which it's going to charge you. It's got something called credits and it's got something called word count. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down into this tool here, which is the compelling bullet points, to show you the difference so you can make sure you're being as efficient as you can be with both your credits and your words. So with your credits, you get a monthly allowance on the free account. That's 20 credits. And every time you hit this button here, which is generate, within any of the tools, the AI copywriting software is going to go away and create some output for you. But clicking that generate will use up one of your credits. So make sure you're not hitting it until you are ready. In order to show you how the words are used up, I need to fill this out. So I'm going to go over to this website here and I'm going to use this particular article. It's about Bernese mountain dog shedding. And you can see it's a long article down here that gives the reader lots and lots of information about the Bernese mountain dog and what's happening when they are shedding. Now I want to take this information and I want to make it shorter, specifically into bullet points. I might be putting those bullet points into a caption to do with a social media post. There might actually be the text within a video for TikTok or on YouTube Shorts. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the URL, because you can see here I'm going to put the URL into here. Now the nice thing about Writecream is it's got quite a few tools that do allow you to use the URL. So if you've got a lot of content out there already that you want to improve, paraphrase, maybe you want to condense it, then definitely I recommend checking out Writecream. We're then going to put a product description. I've just put a summary of the article here and I've got this green light that tells me that it's a good description and I'm ready to go. So as soon as I hit generate, as I said, I've used up one of those credits and you can see I've got these three outputs. Now this has used up my word count. Now this is going to be always roughly between 300 to 500 words. So for example, if you're going for titles, they have less words within them, but therefore you'll get more options. You might get 10 outputs if you're asking Writecream in order to produce some titles for you. So that's why sometimes you get 10 options or outputs, sometimes you get 2 or 3, because they're trying to keep the word count within a certain amount. But as you can see here, I've got these 3 options and I could copy all of these. I could just copy a couple of them and then this could become, as I said, my caption, maybe the text within my video that I'm creating, whatever it is. But that has now used up some of my words. Now I wanted to show you exactly how you could earn over 3,000 words, and you've probably spotted it already here. You've got the earn free credits button. If you click on this, then you can carry out all of these different tasks and that will get you over 2,000 characters, which equates roughly to around about 3,000 words within Writecream. So as long as you've got a Gmail account, you can go through and complete all of these different tasks here, and different tasks will give you different amounts of extra characters that you're going to get, but then obviously those characters equate to different number of words, and then you'll be able to use those words within Writecream along with your monthly credit allowance. Now if you get to a point where you really like Writecream, then you can upgrade. There's an upgrade button here and you can see the different plans. So we're currently, as you can see, 20 credits, and then we've just seen how you can access the tools and earn yourself more words. And then you've got the unlimited plan, which $29 a month isn't too bad when it comes to these AI content generators. That's on the lower end if you're looking for an AI copywriting software in terms of price. And it's got that built-in plagiarism checker that you might be interested in to make sure you're not plagiarizing anybody's work. If you'd like to see more of our videos on Writecream, click on the playlist on the screen right now. You'll be able to see how we've used it for blogging, how it performs with that, and other tasks. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.